State Ministry of Fiscal Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development are out today, 1st of July 2023, to clean in commemoration of our governor's birthday. Today we are cleaning Edo, and in doing that we decided to clean the Secretariat. The Secretariat is the home of civil servants, and the Secretariat is not in the state we want it to be. And we want charity to begin at home. So we decided to come to the Secretariat and clean it, not only clean it, beautify it. So we are also beautifying the frontage, planting, and so we are here. And we want to say to Mr. Governor, we appreciate you, we thank you for who you are to us, and we pray that you have so many more years on earth, and may the benefits of your hard work be seen in the land of the living. Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! Let us go.
We don't see say today, na July 1st. Where Mr. Governor completes 66 years, I mean, don't pass like that.
66 years today.
The governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, instead of making they do heavy gbedu, now they do celebration round everywhere. Now decide to say make una begin they do general cleaning for Edo to make sure say the man clean reaches inside heart, and I want clean everywhere for Benin City today. Wetin come make you choose to clean the secretariat building or the ministries for Benin, for Edo State?
First of all, make a first say happy birthday to my governor. May God bless you, sir. We decided to take secretariat because charity begins at home. Even if we go outside and go clean, people go still look our place. And this secretariat, all day as we like them. So we be Ministry of Fiscal Planning. You understand? So we have to start from our own house. So when the fiscal planning decides, so okay, make we take secretariat, clean now, remove all the dirty, remove all the water, everything, beautify the front. So that when people they come, they go no say yes. This place where governor, civil servants they, because most of the ministry now here we they represented pass, made they say the place clean. So all of us come this morning to clean this place to commemorate our governor birthday. Now make we day yes so.
With what will they see for this ministry since? What will they see for this secretariat building? Block D, Block C, Block A, Block B. It be like say cleaning not they take place here since. Why to make them be like that?
Not be say clean, not they take place. It's not go they fair to say clean, not they take place. But say this place is big. And this is not the first time since this secretariat day. After it don't be like the first time when Governor called November, when a lot of people day here. So say this thing is still learning curve. So they try to improve the things when not they okay. So part of one of these things. So we get maintenance agency. Now they try. But as we do this one, we will not continue to the maintenance. We need to get gardener here. We need to get a stand up where we pack the rubbish and everything. So that we just make the building fine. Make the surrounding as well fine. Because if your face fine, inside your belly not still fine. Now still trouble. So now make not be say we need to do them. We do them, but we just need to do them more.
As 60 years old and it's at the end. November 12 next year. What do you expect from our Ogbonge is what they expect? Pass what you don't do before.
Our governor, they try you. Now, we can see because they talk. No area we never touch. And he don't tell us, say, now to finish strong. So those things when we start, it go complete them. As you see the secretariat, now you say they don't do Palm House join. They go do the commercial area where all this way they photocopy, all those things they go there where you fit go eat. We go get crèche for children, yeah. They go finish this work. Gele work, you go start am. Enterprise Park, you go start am. You don't hear about Coral City, you go do am. We they do the medical hub. That one they don't they do am. So you they see the Museum for West African Art. That one see they go. So everything, all the roads so we start, we want to finish. And nobody say they go say they leave the work or they just take body rub am. So we dey sure say as in don't talking go finish strong. And everybody go see the benefit. Say this now better governor what we don't get for these 8 years. Because you know they talk, you know they like to they show. It just to make you they see in action. And Edo people go talk through those way don't see say Edo different. We know they do like this before. Which time normally people now party they go they do today. But all of us don't come out since 7 o'clock. They clean. So we won't use the cleanness to remember our governor. If not the kind of person we be, we're not going to think about this kind of thing. So I'm not getting any of that to say, but say, una go they wake, una go they see. Una go they wake, una they see. Go reach November next year. Una go see more things when you go do.
Okay, PS. I be say make I not join two people together, make one. But now I go join you now. So this question when I dey ask Madam, so say make I extend it to you. How now one begin to extend this cleanliness to area where they give approval to people, make they continue to even clean their surroundings and the major roads where say local government they carry those areas where.
As we don't start for the headquarters here now, we don't show good example. So with this good example, we extend it to the local government so that they will show, they will see what we don't do. So that they go appreciate and they do the same too.
Edo people, make you understand, say not only Edo we get to. Whether they drive us for everywhere for Nigeria, when we reach here, you know, if drive us now, here we belong to. Now the land where they grow, now where it reach, now it reach. So we get to use sense in everything they do. Keep our environment clean. When rain for not carry your dirty control away for roads, not do those things. Park and keep am for corner, they'll come carry them. When you get approval, be wetin they tell you make you be. Do am the right way. Get approval to be. Not just they do things nya. We be better people. Make we show for our culture and our way we dey conduct ourselves. Say we be better people. If we do like that, Edo go be the best place for people to stay. And businesses go they come here. And as businesses and better things they come, everybody go they jollificate. So now na hand e do, not be governor hand. Because governor only one person. Now we when they follow governor, now I go decide how we want to make our Edo be. I beg una make una remember say Edo na for all of us. Make we try our best to keep our environment clean and to obey the law and to do right things, especially concerning building and all those things like that. God bless you now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.